Do you feel the vibes?
Hey, what is up? It is Icicle, and today I'll be showing you how to make a mugen game. I chose this website because I found it. So yeah. So, oh damn. You want to click free download. Alright, wait for it to load. Free download. Oh, and before that, you actually have to enter in your, you have to enter in your Google account or Facebook account. I'm not sure if it's Facebook, but no one cares. So after that, you're gonna wanna search up for a character, mugen characters. I don't really type that in. I have to go into the mugen archive because mugen archive is one of the best places to get your characters. Oh. Since I never ever really go on Mario, I'll go on Mario for this one. Oh wait, it's a video game universe. What do you know? Well, who cares? Let's just do a Five Nights at Freddy's. And let's, Foxy is one underrated character. Or screw that. Let's just download Foxy. Now it's gonna look like something like this, and click download. Okay, so technically unregistered users may not files larger than 5 MB. Well, let's use that. Let's go download something else. Let's just do Cuphead. Downloading one random character. Click download. It's gonna look like something like that. Go back here. Cuphead. You have to remember the name of your name. Do that. So basically, go do that. Extract the files. It's gonna look like that. If there's like another file inside that, drag that to downloads. Check if that's the right one. Right, that's the right one. So let's go to mugen, the mugen that you just downloaded. Drag that there. Oh, hold on. You want to copy the name? Copy. Put that in characters. You want to go to select. See all this? Now I'm just gonna replace Darth Vader with Cuphead. I'm gonna add him back in after this video. Actually, no one cares about him. Now save. Go to your mugen game. And look, he's here. You can tell this is not clickbait because on the last video, Darth Vader was here. And now that I replaced him, Cuphead is here. It is your friend, Cuphead. Lol. You can also change the colors. L, one color. Well, one, two, three, four, five, six. There are 6 different colors. I'm not sure how to explain it. So yeah. Anyways, that is it, guys, for this video. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. And yeah. Anyways, now that you know all of that, Dark Eagle out.